We have here is the Xtra Edge Pro. We're going to be unboxing it. There is a tab that we're going to pull that opens up to take the camera out correctly. Please do pay attention that you take it out right side up. Without getting into great detail, we have a cage. The cage allows you to mount vertical and horizontal. It has the green button. It's a lighter color than the camera, as you can see side by side. It has the endurance battery for the camera that needs to be charged for the first time. We have the thumb bolt that puts into either the quick mount or other products of tripods that you have. Here is 4 circles. They are washers. They go in between the bolt and the thread like so. And they lock down the unit so you can make it stronger to lock. For example, you break off, they're self-adhesive, you place on like so, and when you slide on and into the quick connect mount and you tighten down, they hide to the side and allows you to stiffen up your mount. For example, you could place them in between and not on the outside to prevent this from loosening. What we're going to do is place this on. It's a magnetic quick connect on the bottom as well as here. So we're going to snap on the quick connect, making sure they go on. It's a solid snap and quick release. And what we're going to do is remove all the film off the lens. There is a rubber ring around your lens. Either remove it for your optional ND filters. If you take the ND filter with the rubber ring, it does not go on. So the rubber ring around the actual lens comes off and can be loose. So please be careful. They do not give a spare. And then the actual lens will go on the outside. Do they fit nice and secure? Yes, they do. And I am banging pretty much on the camera. And then you could take them off like so. Setting up, we have a smartphone for the application Xtra Tech. We need to insert our battery. What we're going to do is look for the door, slide up, open, and insert our battery with the pins blue and a downward. We have a lip and a pull pin to pull the battery out. Snap it in, lift up, and listen and feel for the snap, and make sure that the blue disappears to make it water sealed. On the opposite end, we have a door. It is old-fashioned door. It is not a slip and slide like the other cameras, like so. This way the door can be firmly closed and not accidentally opened by a push of a button. You do have to push the button and pull down hard so it does snap and stay closed. Make sure the blue, listen for the snaps, are closed. Turning on the camera above the port door is simply pressing the button. You do not need an internal card. 47 gig is dedicated to you and the rest for firmware. We set up the date and happy to see an AM and PM. We are now set up. As you can see, the camera, we have the SD storage, playback. We have the mode defaulted on the excellent setting from Xtra to shoot video. The battery, you have the Pro and Extra settings, advanced settings area, and the zoom. If we press on the 2 lines, we have a Pro. We have stabilization and adjustment. In Pro, it opens up to a lot more advanced features, as you see. Press on the play. This is your video area. If we press on the 1080p, if we press on the MM, that's your motion master. That is your image stabilization from off to a tilt guard 360 lock. You have in different types of motion master, your standard, wide, and ultra wide. You back out. You have your frame rates from 24 all the way up to 240 in 1080p, and then they will change as you go along into different video resolutions. As we briefly go over, you have your QS. That is where you set up, switch between the modes and your shooting modes. You have a video prompt, a screen switch, and you can set all different types of areas. So when you swipe on over, you're able to go to different things by pressing or swiping, your choice. You have your customs, you have your brightness, you have your cog gear. If we look into the information, we have Zing Shot, which is your last settings. You have a boost lens that you could put on a macro lens. You have a single screen preview that you could turn on or off the front or back screen. You have your screen record, auto off, always on, Wi-Fi, timer shooting, which you can set up at any given time within 24 hours to do a time-lapse video and more. Your built-in mic backup, your OTC file, your bit rate, your sounds, your grid, your time code, your calibration of the camera, and to live stream. You have a date and factory reset. This camera does not have depth and altitude. It is highly recommended to take the application, upload your firmware for the DJI Mic 2 Mini and other DJI mics for mic advancements in external mics. Open up the Xtra app, allow to find your Xtra Edge Pro and connect. You're given a 4-digit code to accept. Immediately after joining, the camera turns on. Over here will be your gold badge of update firmware. There it is. Click on it, upgrade it, and OK. We are completed. The camera shuts off, turns back on. We have it done, and we have the application that if you want to use, you may do so, and you can reconnect and join. We have update on the camera. Simply press on the update. If wanting to go and shoot video, you can hit the record or hit the record here, and the camera will work via the application and or camera. To stop, simply hit the stop. In order to find the mic that is loaded in here, swipe down, cog gear. As you look, it is the second one on, wireless mic. Press on the TX1 or TX2. You have 2 microphones. Pair your mic by turning on and hitting the pair link record button. If rapidly flash and press, and when correctly done, this will say confirm and a blue line, and then you go and X out and the blue line will be on top. It is a turquoise color line. Pressing the mid left and you have a video that you made and you want to delete it, just simply swipe over. Hit the trash or save it as a favorite. But before doing so, we have information of what you shot on. So if you're looking for a camera with tracking like the Muse, this has human subject tracking within the lens. You're looking for a camera that does 360, this will not do it, but this will go in a 320-degree radius. You're looking for a camera that's portable, that you could place just about anywhere. It is just about that camera. That would be where the Xtra Addo, real small, that you could place just about anywhere imaginable. But that camera can do just about everything that this camera can do, less the subject tracking. So no matter which camera you are looking for, if it's an Xtra Edge Pro with the advanced features of human select tracking, faster frame rate speeds, internal memory, and more, or a POV style camera, the Shy Vloggers camera that you could put anywhere imaginable on metal, and you can go about doing your gym work and more. Both parts are magnetic, a lot stronger, weaker, with a cage around the actual camera. You have a 360 camera that's all in one that will cover every single thing that these three cameras do in a 1-inch sensor. These are 1.1/3 or 1.2824. They're just a little less than the 1-inch sensor, and they do an excellent job in low light that you may not see the difference that these have. You have many options to choose from the company of Xtra. With Xtra, you have some accessories that are first coming out, like filters, selfie sticks, batteries, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video of the unboxing and review of the Xtra Edge Pro. Thank you for viewing.